is where we come without Dwayne, isn't that right? I think you have to order it.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh.
These are this man I knew was not, it's a sweet bread.
Oh, look at that. We're at the Mulege Brewing Company today. The chairs are super cool here. I think we're going to eat here and then go into Mulege and see the Christmas show, but I'll show you inside. It's quite warm.
He's a little Santa Claus guy there.
They're very sweet.
Oh, they're going out here. Oh, look at this. This is Grinch right here. Grinch, yeah.
Look at him on the bike, Jesse!
Oh, yeah.
Woo! This is so cool, I'm so glad we came. Good morning. I thought I'd show you these pelicans. Every morning they do this. Yep. Dwayne's out there using his snorkel that he borrowed from someone. Having fun? It's 8 o'clock in the morning and actually it's nearly 9 now probably. And he's loving life. Look at this little guy, isn't he cute? He's just swimming and chilling. Oh man. It's floor time. Floor time? Tank, are you helping?
No.
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 Nothing, no, nothing new there. We do have kind of a weird shape going on. That's where we have to go that way, and then a few weird bits over there, but... And yes, we was gonna take that table leg out. But it's screwed down to holy heaven and back. So, it's staying in for the time being. But look, it looks nice, doesn't it? Better than this. So it has like a Spanish kind of villa floor, doesn't it? Yeah. I'd say. We'll get on.
Frank's clearly helping.
Do some van work. Tank, you got the level? Got the knife? Anyway, to let you know how we get on. And there we have it. The new floor. All in. It's probably better than our floor in the van. Tank's just having a little play around. It is dark outside, but it's actually only 6 PM. Just an FYI. So, shower time, and then we're gonna eat. But yay, to the new floor! So, this just happened. Yep, I didn't record it. I actually wanted to do this before to see how easy it was. These aren't gonna stay this colour, so don't worry, it's not gonna look like that crap. Half easy, half not. What do you reckon? Yeah. My little handy little helper over here. Don't like wallpaper, sticky or not. So we've done this wall. This back one is the next one to do. Hey! Hey! You helping? Are you helping? Sir? No is the answer. So it's all finished. So in one day, well, not even a day, like it literally took me 2 hours. The back wall, and also this wall. It's still not. Is it 6 o'clock yet?
20 bucks.
So it gets so dark. Like, although we know it gets dark in the UK, it's very different, the darkness here, isn't it? It's like it's
Black it up.
it's like it feels like midnight and you want to just sleep. So sorry for the not great lighting. I'll show you again tomorrow, but pretty good if you ask me. First time doing wallpaper in a van. So what's left to do is like painting these kind of walls all the way around the kitchen, that wall down there, and then redoing this fabric on everywhere that's got this horrible brown awful fabric. That's all going to change to like a cream colour, and I think that's going to be nearly done. Right, Dwayne's off outside cooking some burgers on the barbie. Tank really wants some, don't you? Don't you? Always after the food.
Not bad for an asthmatic guy with one lung. Came from over there. Not bad. It's pretty windy.
Christmas Eve and Dwayne is making something. But he's all... Oh, I can't open the fridge to show them.
Creme brulees are in the fridge, folks. You're just gonna have to trust me.
Made creme brulees.
I made Yorkshire pudding.
Made
mix.
Yorkshire pudding mix. Tank's been lazy and is just out here. Tank! Merry Christmas! You've been sunbathing, haven't you, on a Christmas Eve? I've been for a swim. Tide's going out, so... And we've got some friends coming tonight. I'm not sure what Dwayne is making, but
You'll be amazed.
he says he'll be amazed. So I'll have to show you once he's done.
I'm a genius. What did I say? I can't help
But
that.
so far he's put these little hooks up here, so it's something to do with here. Maybe he's building an upside down Christmas tree.
Can you tell what it is?
And then he's also got that bit of wood. So no clue, but I'll show you when he's done. He's also already eaten half his box of Christmas biscuits.
Says the lady has eaten the whole thing of icing that I bought her already. Like, I mean,
Thank God I did, because
like
I've not
last
been...
week.
Yeah, I ate the icing that he bought me for Christmas last week, and then this
Last week, and you're moaning I'm eating biscuits on Christmas Eve.
And then this week, I've been sick, as has Dwayne. So we're glad that we're feeling better now. But you can see his brain. Oh, Tank's crying at me. I think he wants to come back inside. Can you see him? Let's go get him. Dwayne's created a laptop stand.
I mean, come on, people. A bit of string, a bit of wood. I'm in the middle of the desert, man, bruv.
You're not in the middle of the desert.
Well,
You're on a peninsula by the water.
desert you like.
So we don't have a projector in this van yet because we've been lazy and we've barely watched any TV really. But last night we started watching.
We did, because we were ill last night.
Yeah, so.
And I got fed up of holding the laptop, and thus dreamt up this idea.
What do you all think? Leave a comment below. That's Dwayne's Christmas present to me.
Merry
and
Christmas.
to himself.
That's genius. Absolutely genius.
Yeah, you are brilliant, babe. Well done.
I know.
Okay, so I came up here.
It's hot, isn't it?
And actually it's better than it looks from that direction. But,
Do we have any toasted marshmallows?
stop that. This is what it looks like.
I mean, come on.
We are watching a fire with...
The fireplace
Look
is on.
outside. It's lovely and sunny with the beautiful
I just need a
water.
marshmallow now on a stick.
And
Nice.
so yeah,
I mean-
it's pretty awesome because we can like lie and chill and watch TV now without having to hold it.
Feliz Navidad, bitches. Feliz Navidad.
So we just gave Tank a little wash, and it's 30 degrees, but he says he's cold. Look at him. He keeps shivering as we put him in his bed.
You guys.
You're cold after your shower.
So cold.
No other dog in this world would be under a blanket, a thick blanket, whilst the sun is out. Go back to sleep. Honestly, Merry Christmas, eh? Merry Christmas, everyone!
Feliz Navidad.
We're on the beach at Christmas! And
Time for a Christmas dip.
definitely a time for a Christmas dip.
Cheers.
Well, Dwayne's got his coffee, so he's not dipping, but I'm gonna dip. So look at this view that we've got. It's a little bit windy today, but we're still loving it. Definitely still loving it. And that's where we're parked.
Let's get it.
Dwayne's just been making the Christmas dinner. Tank and I are up here watching, and
Contently.
still beautiful sunshine outside. Doesn't mean you can't have a nice Christmas roast dinner, does it, babe?
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Would you like it medium rare, sir, with roast potatoes and York's puddings? Yes. One Christmas roasty coming up for you.
I'm so excited about this Christmas dinner. It's been great. Dwayne's got his gravy all done. I've had a little taste of the roasties, a little taste of the cauliflower cheese. Like, we've got some friends coming over. So excited. Tank is very excited. So yeah, we're definitely enjoying this Christmas in the sunshine, aren't we, babe?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Wait, what's your type?
It's never late for you to get the Yorkies out.
Oh my gosh. Guys.
I think someone's made a Yorkshire pudding before. Here. How many do you want, Tank? Do you want the middle one? Is that good for you? Little gravy in the middle?
Oh my lord. I'm so excited. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Jessie. Oh.
Holes or something. The welder. Oh yeah, that'll be fun.
If in doubt, just make your own blowtorch. Jim would be proud.
Jim would be proud.
Hank's kind of like, what's going on here?
Dad, don't burn
Dad's
me.
lighting the place on fire.
Oh,
Look
he's
at
like,
that.
Tank, knock it off. It's kind of working, kind of not working.
oh, it's on fire.
That's
It's only the
Jesse's.
foil. It's only the
Tank's scared. We're all gonna get gassed out as well.
How can you get stuck by
It's
fire?
like, that's key where you have improv.
So it's Boxing Day, and Dwayne and I are going to go for a kayak and swim. So we're borrowing our neighbour's kayaks. Well, just one, and I'm going to try and swim across the bay. If I can't do it today, It looks calm right now, but it's meant to get windier. Then I'll do it tomorrow. I hope. See, even just this, I'm trying to hold this back from the wind. Also, a Wonder Lodge is over there. Wonder Lodge. I'm gonna go and have a look at it later, I think. So I've only got, I think this is the last day today here, and then we're gonna head off to Loreto. So yeah. So this morning, I retried my swim across the bay. Can you see it? This bay. And I'm glad to say that I was successful. So I swam from here to all the way across the other side, and then Dwayne kayaked me back, only because I've got these sore bits underneath my arms. So should have kind of Vaselined up. If people don't know, like, that's what I usually would do. Didn't really think about it, I suppose. And also my bikini that I was swimming in, I haven't like washed it out each time because we just don't have the access to the water that I would usually have. So it's kind of also salty, so my arm was rubbing against my bikini, and that's why I got a rub mark. Dwayne, how was your kayak?
Yeah, it was alright. My groin hurts, and it's only from kayaking. No other activities.
And Tank?
Tank did absolutely nothing.
You did nothing?
But sleep.
Zero. Tank didn't come on the kayak this time because I kind of got freaked out yesterday going across, just of like, what's underneath me and like all that crap, which I am like that anywhere. If anybody who's swam with me knows, I get freaked out by a little bit of seaweed. Whereas today I just was like, there's nothing under me, blah blah blah, but it meant that Dwayne had to kind of stay kind of to my right hand side, which was helpful. And he didn't want to have to worry about Tank, and then we both went back in a single kayak. So with Tank as well, that would not have been a good idea. So that was a successful bay swim, and that means tomorrow we're going to leave and go to Loreto. Are you excited to be in Loreto?
Loreto. Do you know, I haven't got it yet. Just rhymes with connector.
My arm's hurting me do that. We're going there for New Year's Eve.
Party.
Party. And Mo and Graham, who are next to us, who have been sick over Christmas, they're going to be at the same campsite as us. We've already booked on just in case. They've got a friend there, so they'll be fine. And yeah, we're super excited to be moving on.
Going to the discotheque, yeah?
We're not actually. It's a live band.
I'm going to the discotheque.
Dwayne's going to go to the discotheque by himself, guys.
Discotheque.
But for now, relaxing day in the sunshine. I think that's the last little bay enjoyment. We do like it here, but also we're bored of being here.
Yeah.
You can tell we're travellers because, like, this is the longest we've stayed ever.
Anyway, yeah.
Anywhere. So we've been here for like 3.5 weeks.
It is nice, but it's like 20-minute drive to town. You can't really walk anywhere. You're kind of like stuck in this compound.
And the people that bring you water there is super expensive, so we're not buying water from them.
Even though it's a beautiful view, we're all kind of in no man's land as opposed to like transport.
Which we kind of like in one way, but not in another. But anyway, we're hoping that we find another similar bay that's even better than this the further down the coast we go. So yeah, gonna go chill.